I collect the clothes from the floor. I collect the clothes from the floor.
I put the clothes in the laundry basket. I put the clothes in the laundry basket.
I carry the basket to the laundry room. I carry the basket to the laundry room.
I separate my clothes by color. I separate my clothes by color. I open the washing machine. I open the washing machine. I put the clothes into the washing machine. I put the clothes into the washing machine.
I add detergent to the machine. I add detergent to the machine.
I add softener to the washing machine. I add softener to the washing machine. I close the washing machine door. I close the washing machine door. I press the start button. I press the start button.
The washing machine is running. The washing machine is running.
I wait for the washing to finish. I wait for the washing to finish. I take the clothes out of the washing machine. I take the clothes out of the washing machine.
The clothes are clean now. The clothes are clean now. I shake the clothes. I shake the clothes. I hang the clothes on the line. I hang the clothes on the line. I wait for the clothes to dry. I wait for the clothes to dry. The sun dries the clothes. The sun dries the clothes. The clothes are dry now. The clothes are dry now. I take the clothes from the line. Take the clothes from the line. I bring the clothes inside. I bring the clothes inside. I put the basket on the table. I put the basket on the table. I start folding the clothes. I start folding the clothes.
I prepare the iron. I prepare the iron. I turn on the iron. I turn on the iron. I spray freshener on the clothes. I spray freshener on the clothes. I iron the shirt. I iron the shirt. I make a neat pile of clothes. I make a neat pile of clothes. I hang the clothes on the hanger. I hang the clothes on the hanger. I bring the clothes to my bedroom. I bring the clothes to my bedroom. I put the clothes in the cupboard. I put the clothes in the cupboard. I hang some clothes in the closet. I hang some clothes in the closet. I put the shirts in the drawer. I put the shirts in the drawer. I organize the clothes neatly. I organize the clothes neatly.